Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm taking the Redeye out and going to attempt to run a 0 to 60 test, maybe a couple of times to see what I can run, as well as setting the air pressure where Dodge recommends it for the drag strip to get the best traction I can. It's a little cold outside, but I've been itching to see what this car can do, and winter just won't let go. I've got some mods planned for it this week as well. First, it is time for a cold start, which is my favorite part.
Know you love it. It'll never get old. Cold starting the GTOs on the Redeye will never get old, at least for most people. I think is the best sounding exhaust on one of the best sounding cars I've ever heard. It's just music to my ears, and I'm sure you guys agree.
Let's try this in second gear because it's not working in first gear.
Now, this isn't a review of the Redeye. I plan on doing that real soon once the weather breaks, but I figured I'd get out there and drive this car like I did my Integra and my Charger, let you guys hear the exhaust from outside and inside the car, as well as see how much fun that I have while driving it. So today is the first time I've actually been able to get on the car, full wide open throttle, first, second, third gear, and I can tell you guys it's every bit as fast as my Charger was with the race tune at 840 wheel horsepower. Now there's a lot of factors for that. This car is a couple of 100 pounds lighter. The torque curve is a little bit different because it's got a bigger supercharger. Overall, it just feels as quick, maybe a little quicker. It just wants to haul ass in between gears. I can't keep the tires on the ground. Oh, there it goes. It wants to break out at 35. It just wants to keep letting go. It's unbelievable. This is a thrill ride. There's just nothing that comes close. I loved my Hellcat. It was fast. Everybody loved the Charger. I did too, but this Redeye is definitely superior in every way, not just handling, but also acceleration. I just love driving it. It's unbelievable. I can't wait to do my full review of this car. It's going to be more fun than any other car review I've ever done. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, there you go. You're not going to be obeying any speed limits in this car. Oh my God. And I'm sitting here in fourth gear, 2,500 RPM, and just stomp it, and it feels like I am on a damn roller coaster from hell. It's unlike anything. It doesn't feel like my Charger. There's a lot of people that have been asking, how does a stock Redeye compare to a pulleyed and tuned Hellcat? Well, there really isn't anybody on YouTube right now with a Redeye, and definitely nobody that's had a Hellcat that I know of, and I'll tell you guys, it's not even in the same league. It's totally different animal, and I can tell just by driving it. Stock for stock, it's no competition, but it destroyed my Charger. If we're comparing it to when my Charger was pulleyed and tuned on pump gas, the Redeye still feels faster. It's just the way they have this thing set up and tuned, and it's lighter. The suspension is stiffer in track mode. It handles better, it brakes better. Everything is just better. The steering is better than my Charger was because I had the old setup, whereas this has got the newer setup from Dodge, totally different, and it just feels great. Getting on in first gear, impossible. Oh, it broke loose. Charger. Oh, okay, I gotta calm down, otherwise we're gonna get ourselves in trouble. This is the way the Hellcat should have come. Like, I can just throw into auto right now. I'm in track mode. I'm just gonna stomp on the gas. It's gonna downshift like lightning, and I'm gone. Oh my God, that was a burnout in 4th gear, and the rear end wanted to break out. I love the rev matching in the Redeye. As soon as I downshift, you'll hear it. Oh my God, that's like, that is ear candy. Hashtag Mopar ear candy, because that's exactly what that is. Oh my God, American muscle at its finest right here. Again, this is a Demon drivetrain and transmission, so it's a little bit quicker, I think. Transmission seems a lot peppier and quicker than the Hellcat for sure. Again, I'm really not trying to get into too much of a review here. It's a vlog, and I'm just enjoying the car today. Gotta keep it tame. Gotta keep it tame. Rev matching again. God, it's quick when it rev matches. No one can ever shift this fast. It's impossible. Don't care how good of a driver you are. You'll never outshift the 8-speed auto in a Redeye or a Hellcat. Well, that kind of didn't go as planned. Hashtag RIP tires. They did not do well at all. I could not put the power to the ground. So pretty much 1st and 2nd gear are useless. It just makes too much power. So it's basically drag radials for me no matter what. Even on the street, these 305s are no good because it is barking between every shift, and the rear end wants to break loose in 3rd. It's just a really balanced machine as far as weight distribution, and it's putting down a ton of power. So 305s are just not enough. I would have liked to have seen 335s come on this car. I may have to get me a set of 335 summer tires or 305 drag radials or street radials. So I'm either looking at the Mickey Thompson Streets in 305, maybe 315, or a great summer tire from Michelin, the Pilot Cup 2 or 3s that come on the Corvette. With a set of those Pilot Cup 2s in 335 size, that should be enough for the street, for the Redeye. But I might just be better off getting the Mickey Thompsons just because of the fact I'm going to be going to the drag strip and whatnot. So I'm going to have to get another set of factory wheels and another set of TPMS sensors as well as the tires. What do you guys think? 305, 315 drag radials like the Nitto NT555Rs, or the Mickey Thompson MT Streets, or I could just go with 335 Michelin Pilot Cup 2s or 3s. This way I can have a great all-around summer tire that I can use at the drag strip and on the street. I hear a lot of Corvette owners love the Pilot Cup Series tire, but then again, that's more of a road racing, summer, and street tire, not a drag radial. But these all-season 305s are just not cutting it. Too much power for the Redeye. Don't forget to check out the store, drivewithdemons.com. Get your key tags, hoodies, t-shirts, and more, and support the channel there, drivewithdemons.com. Here is the key tag, Drive with Demons, flip it over, Mopar no car. Definitely get you guys one of those. They are awesome. I just got a new shipment in, so if you've been waiting on an order. They're all going out this week. Don't forget to check me out over on Twitch, twitch.tv, free account if you haven't already, and follow me over there. And also you can support me over there by subscribing, comment on the videos, and watch the live streams. Blackout from Call of Duty Black Ops 4, Team Deathmatch, Battlefield, Resident Evil 2, the remake, which is for PlayStation 4. A lot of good stuff I'm going to be streaming over there, so check me out over on Twitch, twitch.tv. Driveway Demons is my username there as well. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, smash that bell notification, and thumbs up, and let me know what you guys think of today's video. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching all my videos. Be sure to check out my brother's channel, all lowercase, one word, This Can't Be Happening. Check out his channel, great content, This Can't Be Happening. But until the next video, take care, guys, and have a great night.